So we are now going to finally launch our website so that it's visible to the public. So we are going to click on this part of Cat to Photos, then click on Dashboard. And then see right up here where they are saying launch site. So you click on launch site. You're going to skip this purchase. Then we keep this plan. Okay, so now we have launched our site and it's now visible in search results.